Behold the incredible marvel, a groundbreaking tools and machines that defies the ordinary, weaving dreams into reality. Prepare to be astounded by its breathtaking capabilities. Don't forget to hit the notification bell and subscribe to our channel. Let's find out these tools and machines in 3, 2, 1. Check out these firefighters using this super pressurized water. Check out this cool firewood cutter, simple and no hassle. Check out this scraping tool to run down the length of paint rollers after you've finished painting. Look how cool this flexible lever is. It's every builder's dream. Check out how cool this portable road painter. No hassle on marking those boundaries. Look at this simplified and portable ladder. Getting those hard-to-reach corners would be much easier now. Check out this powerful tool. Digging those soils is not much an issue now. Look at this tiny chainsaw. Pretty powerful for a small thing, right? Look at how precise this leaf cutter. Look at how this steam plate removes those old wallpapers. Check out this portable weed digger. Putting out those unwanted plants would be a breeze. Check out this laser vacuum cleaner. No dust can escape. Watch this corn grinder, getting all the seeds precisely. Look at this automatic wire stripper. Effortlessly strip wires with precision and speed, saving time and ensuring flawless connections. Are cracking eggs still a hassle for you? Then what about you try this egg cracker? Cooking won't be a mess now. Check out how cool this tool is. Cleaning snow on your roof would be much easier. Try this tool, it will help cooking hot dogs much appetizing. Look at how this scraper smoothly cleans those surfaces. Check out this cool endless match. Wow, it's even waterproof. Check out this plastic wrapping tool for stairs. You can now prevent it from being messy. Look at this automatic garden pruner, taking out those twigs effortlessly. Check out how cool this leaf sweeper, keeping your garden clean with ease. Witness metal surfaces transform before your eyes for this automatic metal polisher, as this cutting-edge wonder effortlessly restores their luster. Like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.